Namaskar friends, welcome back to my channel Living Economics. Today's discussion is based on how GDP is calculated and how we estimate growth from the previous year to the current year. So let's go and learn. So we are going to discuss how GDP is calculated and how we measure growth from the previous year to the current year. We all know what is the meaning of GDP. The full form of GDP is Gross Domestic Product. And the definition of GDP we have already seen in my previous video, but I'll repeat it once again. GDP is the total market value of all the final goods and services produced during a given period of time, generally 1 year. So you see, I'm talking about it is a total market value. I'm talking about during a given period of time, generally a one year, or in quarters. Quarter means 3 months, and there are 4 quarters in 1 year. Also, I'm talking about final goods and services. I have already clearly made a distinction between intermediate goods and final goods in my previous video. If you want to find out the difference, you please go and check that video. Today, with simple example, I'll explain and let you know how GDP is calculated and why we need to convert the entire GDP, the entire production of the economy, the domestic production of the economy, into monetary value. Let's say that there is an economy ka boom. Now this economy ka boom produces 4 things: the pen, the poster color, the diya, and the thread. So let me give you an imaginary figure. Let's say that the economy of ka boom has produced 5 poster colors, has produced 5 pen, has produced 5 diya, has produced 2 threads in the current year. And let us say that this is the base year. Now when this is produced in the current year, this is the total GDP of the economy. So if you see these things in the picture, this is the GDP of the economy. So it is difficult for us to mention gross domestic product of ka boom economy or any real economy in different units: liters, meters, tons, kgs, and so on. We convert all these values, all these production, into monetary value. How to convert this into monetary value? Just multiply each of the product with their price. So let's say this is 2 rupees each, pen is 5 rupees each, diya is 1 rupees each, and thread is 10 rupees each. So you have seen that the total GDP of ka boom economy in current year is 60 rupees. Now we have to see whether this economy has grown next year or not. How will we come to know whether this economy has grown or not? We will come to know whether this economy has grown or not if this economy ka boom is producing more in the next year compared to the current year. More in the sense, more of diya, more of pen, more of poster colors, and more of thread. If it has produced more, then there is a growth. If it has produced same amount, there is no growth. If it has produced lesser than what it has produced now, then there is a negative growth. This is how we calculate GDP of an economy, by finding out the total goods and services produced in a year. Right? Now the problem is, when we convert this into a monetary value, there is something called as inflation, which affects the accuracy of the GDP. If you simply see the real value, the real production, there is no inflation which can affect the accuracy of the GDP. Today, in current year, we have produced 5 poster colors. Next year, we have produced 6 poster colors. There is a growth of 1 poster color, which is very clear cut. Problem arises when we convert this into a monetary value. When monetary value comes into the picture, the inflation comes into the picture, and because of inflation, the value of money goes down. So it is difficult for us to find out without adjusting with inflation that whether you have actually grown or not, whether your economy has actually grown or not. In order to understand all these things, in order to understand the difference between real value and nominal value of the GDP, you need to stay tuned to watch part 2 of the same discussion, because right now time is going beyond the concentration level. So see you in the next video. Bye.